Charlie, today your boy, I say I go. I started mashing the mangoes, but I just wanted to keep it simple. I don't want to add anything. So the normal ingredients: egg, milk, sugar, butter, and then baking powder and salt. That's all. Simple. Keeping it simple. And whisk. Then the flour, the main ingredients, the flour. Then pop it into the oven. This might be some show I buy with and give me this thing. I'm like, oh, come of use, and it has come of use. So pop it into the baking, whatever. Then into the oven. And at the beginning it was going well. It was bubbly. It was nice until. Bro. I mean, it wasn't that bad. First time baking. I mean, it wasn't looking good, but it wasn't looking bad either. And I mean, the taste was there, but the aesthetics, I need to work on the appearance a little bit. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.